So what does the change look like? Well, for those of you that are have already got a 2701, 27001, 2013 certificate, you have effectively up until the 21st of October 2025 to transition. Now that means on the point of your renewal or your maintenance visit, whatever that may be, you will be required to be ready for and have transitioned ready for audit to the new revision. That said, as I said earlier, the new revision was released in October 2022, and companies, as from them, could quite easily have gone down the journey of either transition or new certification to achieve that. So, as it says on the screen there, it was only up until the end of last year or Q3 last year that you could have continued to gain the 2013/2017 certificate. But ultimate deadline for you, 21st of October 2025.